How's it going? It's Tim. I'm a commercial photographer and video maker in the UK. And this morning I'm going to go and see my mate Luke. We're going to do a little video of him creating a company logo. So I thought maybe I'd take you along and that could be fun. Grabbed a few things out the studio, jump on my bike and head off. Okay, arrived at Luke's studio. Guy's super talented, look at this. He's sort of specialises in collaborative painting. I think it goes back to his graph days. So super exciting. We're going to grab a stencil and start painting up these logos on some boards. And that's sunny, should be super fun.
Doing a series of 8 canvases today for a project I'm doing down at Soapworks in Bristol. 3-layer stencil, nice bright colour backgrounds, and then variations of colours on top.
Ball cap low on my eye, cause sometimes I'm listen to my style so much, I'm just trying to get by, I'm just saying. For real, I'm just saying.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you all out to a musical extravaganza called the Night and Day Project. Please save your applause to the end.
I'm in the AC, cooler than I ever was. I went from bubbling to a better buzz. Hey, check this, cuz I did it with no airplay. Wild out in the lot, well that's hearsay. I'm just trying to do my thing, shine like a star. Skills in the place, banner, you know who we are. I'm Nike, that's Nate, you know K9. I already said my name.
Super fun shoot, and the sun's come out, which is a bonus. And look.
Excellent, great morning. Weather turned out nice for us. And we've created 8 new panels which are going to go up in the marketing suite at the Soapworks. Yeah, cheers for coming along and filming the process. Cheers, Tim.
Good times. Better take this back, get the edit done, and it's also way past lunchtime. So, food. Well, back in the studio for a few hours now. Had my lunch, finished the edit, and it's just uploading, and it's looking super good. Thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes. If you did, click like. And if you like this kind of video and creative photography and video making tutorials, hit subscribe. I'm doing 2 videos a week. The next one will be up in the next sort of 2 or 3 days. Until then, have an awesome week, and I'll catch you later. Bye.